This new coin is getting people freaky, all right? Bear with me, guys, but we are potentially unraveling a new coin that captures the essence of the raw, unfiltered internet culture of today. And if you have dabbled in that realm of internet culture, you've probably seen it. You probably know of a woman or a lady named, Haley Welch. So this coin, known as Hawk is getting people freaky. So this is crazy. The internet sensation, the sudden virality that came out of it. I want to share with you guys something crazy that I've seen over here. There is literally a crypto tokenizing on this massive movement. And the lady, behind all of this, as you can see, the Hawk girl, Haley Welch, finds representation. She is about to be signed as like not a top tier, but she's going on board now to become a celebrity. She's now in the wheels. She's getting so many partnerships. She's monetizing. She's making money. And now there is a cryptocurrency where developers are tokenizing on this massive social trend right here. There is also a donation wallet for Haley. If she finds the token, they're going to give her what she deserves, basically. They've already tried reaching out to her, but as you can imagine, this girl's getting thousands and thousands of DMs. So Hawk TUAH, everyone, can you believe it? We're looking at a coin like this. I find it crazy, but anything can happen in the meme coin space. So price tag of 0.00077575, a $729,000 market capital, so certainly a low cap coin. 96% of the supply is already circulating, and guess what? It's a Solana based meme coin, which is always a good thing to see. The coin has already launched as of 3 weeks ago. It has come down 70 to sort of 80%, but it's actually starting to have a bullish reverse at the moment. I think it's good. It's had a while to survive and sort of thrive. We can see here, there's the overall supply, the 1 billion tokens. And when you look at the distribution as well, the percentage of the total supply, not really seeing sort of any sort of red flaggy numbers here. There's no major whale wallets, and there's not many wallets also over 1% of the supply for themselves. So you're probably wondering, what does the token look like? Well, I can show you. And here is the website. Here you have like a little video of the, the Haley doing her thing. And I can't believe that this is the new sensation in the internet, but we're gonna play the video. Maybe I'm gonna get like a copyright strike or something. Hopefully the video doesn't get removed, but we'll hit play for those of you that don't know what it is. And basically this made her completely famous. Can you believe it? You have a night out with your friends, you do some interview, and then the next day you're an internet sensation for doing something which pretty much provides, unfortunately, no real world impact or any positive influence on people's lives except a bit of maybe laughter, but to some probably disgust.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time? That you
Hawk TUAH, spell that thing.
That's just crazy. I mean, I don't even know how I feel about that. Kind of ekes me out a little bit. Right, so look, here it is. Spit on that thing, Hawk TUAH. Inspired by the unapologetic, sexy, and viral moment, we bring you the Hawk TUAH. This token is not just about cryptocurrency, it's about capturing the essence of raw, unfiltered internet culture. And so here we can see we're going to have some charts. I'm going to show you the price and the charts and what I think could happen with this token in the sort of short to long term. But yeah, so far we can see this is Solana, designed with passion, 1 billion supply, ownership is renounced, all good, zero tax, all good, liquidity burned, also really nice to see. And there we can see the contract address for full transparency. Looks like it was a pump token, so maybe it was launched on Pump Fun or something like that. So of course, the developers, we don't know who they are. Always got to be careful when it comes to developers that we don't know and they've not been doxed or KYC'd, but indeed that is the industry standard over here. So it says, support your Hawk TUAH girl, Haley Welch. Since Haley is the one and only true OG of Hawk, we're opening up a community-driven wallet for her to claim. Anyone can donate to this wallet, and we will actively push this message on all socials. So there is this wallet right here. I don't know if it's one that you can actually search up, and I wouldn't, like on SoulScan or something. We could probably just try for fun during the video. It might not show anything. We can see an address here. The balance is 0. Maybe it's hidden, but I just thought I'd show you that because that is pretty cool. Now, here is the price action. So it has indeed already had some euphoric highs. It's done a 10x already. It's now come down in price, and it's sort of settled in at 76% bottom and 64% on the down at the moment, which isn't terrible. But, fingers crossed that is the lowest it will go. Fingers crossed it's found a new bottom, and fingers crossed we're going to see some more upside potential from this particular level here. It's really quite difficult to say what will happen. Of course, it's a meme coin, and it only takes one whale wallet to disrupt quite a lot of things, especially when the liquidity is low like this. Because you've got a bit of consolidation here. Where I'd really like to see this token go hawk to is basically retest this resistance range over here. Might get a pump to the upside, 22% on short-term play. But if we were to just move all this aside and really focus on long-term growth, because when we look at the data here, it's 100k liquidity, 766k market cap, only 352 holders. That's absolutely nothing. It's like, it's not a lot at all. Less than a school, you know, more people in a school than the actual retail money holding this, you know, the Hawk Tuah token. So if we can like multiply all this by 10x and get to a 7 million sort of market cap and do a 10x from here, things would look super juicy. On paper, you know, speculatively would be producing a 10x all the way up to like 0.007, removing a 0. This would be the ideal scenario, and I heard a lot of big people will be talking about this token in the upcoming days as well. Yeah, it could be a very, very interesting coin. I think it could be a good one indeed. So keep your eyes peeled. I think it might be worth looking at. Not financial advice. If you do like your meme coins, now is a better time to get in. It's corrected 70 to 80%. The downside potential is going to be much less. You know, at worst, if you had a stop loss set tightly, you might be looking at 20% on the down. But it's in a very nice point of interest where accumulation could be potentially fruitful in the markets right now for this particular coin. Hawk Tuah, we can see 148 followers. So again, that's not a lot of people, is it? This just shows that they're at the beginning of their journey. You can see just looking through the Twitter page here, quite fun, quite just witty, comedic. But yeah, they're getting quite a lot of engagement and overall quite a lot of retweets and likes about this particular moment that happened. So let me know down below what you think, because, you know, her level of virality has now allowed developers to tokenize and make an actual platform out of this. And yeah, could Hawk Tuah be a new 10x potential meme coin? Research the coin down below. Click on the link down below. Let me know what you think. And fingers crossed we'll see this go wild in the future. Markets-wise, just to quickly check, it's only on Radium and Jupiter, so no centralized exchange, no other dexes, nothing kind of like that. It's very much only on Dex at the moment. So the sky is the limit, but I guess it depends really what the community actually want. Yeah, we're explored the whole website now. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.